Remember? Where there's smoke?
There's fire.
You can't lose me, egghead!
Who's an egghead? Eggface?
So what, he's gonna burn me with flamethrowers or something?
No.
Oh, acids.
No.
The claws, very
Big meaty claw.
Well, then you should have called him Claw or
Burnbot.
And he prays!
Well, these claws ain't for just attracting mates. Bring it on, old man. Bring it on.
You're gonna be able to play lots of golf and spend time with the
Grandkids.
Wait, what just happened?
I fired you.
You're fired.
Amy, I know who you are.
I think I would be a great fighter.
No. Knuckles, I'm looking for someone to be
I'm thinking Knuckles.
Look at that face.
Tails?
Nope. Chuck Testa.
The plan had holes! I can't swim.
Well, no shit.
Get out of here!
You bastards, I'm sick of your shit.
That's not how.
Force work.
Wake up, son. Wake up, you lazy little hedgehog.
Man.
I am death.
Death. We don't want any.
Get to it, Eggface.
Eggface?
I need your help.
You need my help?
And you gotta help us.
I didn't even bring any weapons. Here, check my pants.
No.
I don't like where this is going.
Something you'd like to share with Eggman?
Yes. How to say this delicately?
You're a fat idiot.
Yeah, lose some weight.
Hey man, you're fat. Moron type.
Feel angry! Because you're a whore.
Forgiveness, washed down with a tall glass of peace. What do you think?
Not you.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
What? What's wrong? Are we under attack?
Is under attack.
Under attack?
Is under attack. They're inside the lair. There and there.
Pre-mission group hug?
No.
Hello, darkness, my...
Jam the kinetic barrier processor. Headshot. Yes.
You know what I think is compassion? Saving a guy like every week. But do I get props for that?
Yes.
Everyone just goes around gasping at me when I call a guy a
I want you to throw your hat on the ground like so. Now, stomp it into the dust.
You're a fucking asshole.
This is painful.
Can we turn this off now?
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your...
Good morning, USA.
You're a poopy head.
Hey, y'all.
Look at this ass. What's he doing here?
That's a good question. Why are you here?
Hey, G, would you make me a sandwich?
Coming.
It's coming!
So, tell me, do you enjoy rocks in your stomach? That's a fitting punishment, I think, for
Amy, what are you doing here?
How to say this delicately?
I don't like you.
Get the hell out of my house.
Are you to the point of exhaust?
Stop following me. Group hug?
No.
Jam the kinetic barrier processor.
What?
Hi guys, real life Peter Griffin here.
Oops, one too many.
Where am I?
I eventually got bored, so I went to go watch some TV.
Watch out for that tree.
Really?
Really.
Hello, are you my family?
No.
This isn't over.
It's never over.
I smoked you too! Thank you, kind sir.
You've saved us from the scourge of Weezer and scattered all our belongings.
There's glass and tobacco all over the floor.
Well, thanks, but we really gotta...
Oh, it's okay. We know how busy you are.
How do you know that?
Wonderful. Can we get you some?
No.
Actually, it's guests of whom to...
Shut up!
Tails, these guys are nuts.
I love nuts.
Society, but you've known your plans for a long. Go to them.
But in all that time, the plans have never given us any...
Hurry up and go!
Well, at least we're finally back home.
And in exchange, we can water those houseplants of yours.
The plant.
You have 4 messages.
This is Pizza Hut? More like pizza butt.
Come to Snevic Hospitality, or come out now. I am gonna get on a plane, and I'm gonna come out there for the day, and I'm gonna straighten your ass out.
Wow, that guy can't take a hint.
I'm sick of your shit!
Next!
One of these trees is a spy.
Peekaboo!
There, that ought to do it.
I'm here to rescue Tails. I said we.
We? We?
Hamburger.
I've eaten a crap sandwich out here.
Bring it over here.
That's just a stupid boulder!
That is a nice boulder.
Have a taste of my super freeze bread.
I was gonna catch a movie with Mike.
Hey, everybody. Yeah, can I get a chili dog?
Sorry, Sonic. I can't give credit.
Just leave! I want you to throw your hat on the ground like so. Now, stomp it into the dust.
Sheep, that's a sheep!
First things first, when talking to women, you gotta run. Cool. Allow me to demonstrate. I've hired a local actor to play the part of girl.
Laura Vanderbuben's the name, and I just joined your workforce.
Not sure I have the time.
Probably shouldn't have farted before I started that walk.
Yes, please. First mistake was going to Sonic for advice on women, or as I call them, women.
Lil.
That I gave precise warning, Sharon.
And your meh meal toy.
There's nothing quite like the rich smell and mellow flavor of a cigar.
Girls like romance and chivalry.
This no longer has anything to do with chivalry!
Watch and learn.
Who chases and hugs Sonic all the time and wields a powerful hammer? Why, it's Amy Rose, of course. You can't deny the fact that she's still attractive. And when have you ever seen 3 big, very smooth arcs of hair sticking out of a person's forehead? I haven't.
In situations this dire, the bro code trumps the enemy thing. Take my copy! My new background music generator.
Copyrighted music, almighty. Take a piss. 2018 meme that's hit or miss.
Say hello to a little device I call...
It's based around a central core unit, but it functions as an improved deterrent.
You sly dog!
Hey, look look at me! I'm having a night!
Yes, victory is mine!
It's a tainted victory!
Maybe a bite of this comically large sand. Huh?
It's the trial of the century that nobody is taking seriously. Let's see if we can get a statement from the defendant.
I have no strong feelings one way or the other.
Come on, Eggman.
Help!
That rotten pink man is trying to bully a mentally ill man like myself!
Why are there cockroaches on my bench? Now, commence your opening statement.
That statement.
Could you tell us what it is you admire about Sonic the so-called Hedgehog?
Oh, murders and executions mostly.
Oh, man.
Shut the fuck up, I will fucking laser you.
That's right.
Oh, you're not gonna trap me with your lawyer tricks. I know how this works. I've seen hospital shows on the radio.
Let's just put this idiot under.
Yes.
Your Honor, can I win now?
No.
Okay.
Well, my friends, now is the time for
Has the jury reached a verdict?
Yes.
And would the jury care to share it with us?
No, I don't think I will.
Am I going to have to make you say it?
Actually, what was the question again?
Would you approach the bench, please? Closer. Yeah.
Come on.
That's what the kids call epic fail.
That guy's good. You should hire him as your lawyer.
Now to make the verdict official, I'll just pound my gavel.
Sorry, I'm late, Your Honor.
What?
Hi, folks.
You're too late! I won!
Wow, that woman has fantastic tatas.
Where?
Tata.
Where?
Hey, look at Egghead. He can move.
Moo.
Ow! Oh! Oh!
Yeah! We'll be right back.
Why is the music controlling us? I'm not your puppet, music master.
I never want to do that again.
This is delicious. Time for a test drive.
These numbers are off the chart.
Look, I'm not Eggman. I'll prove it. Boy, in my lungs.
Zip zoom, motherfucker! Guess I'll have to destroy them tomorrow.
What was that noise?
Another happy landing.
Look how blue I am! I mean, the brains.
Let's go.
Delicious.
Ow, my eye!
Eggman threw a pie at me!
What?
Sonic is Sonic! Eggman is Eggman!
What did Tails say?
Come on, Eggman. Just touch this and give me my body back.
Oh, you'd like that, wouldn't you?
Nothing can make me touch your stupid purple rock!
Nothing? Not even a close shave? The speed? Or the speed?
Stop!
Well, there's always next season.
Looks like this guy could use a hand.
I've had enough of your snide insinuations.
Check it out. Twins.
Two of them!
Hey, Percy.
Hello, Sonic. You look splendid.
It's almost done. I just gotta finish the arms. As for strategy, might I suggest an inverted
tornado slam?
Nice. Oh, we've been spending a lot of time together. Should take the rest of the day off.
No.
Not when I shift into maximum overdrive.
We were in a terrible accident that was intentional. Maybe some pie will sweeten your mood. Pie! You'll have to eat it off of one of my collectible plates.
But you can't do this to me.
Did you hear something?
No.
Did I?
I don't know.
Are you sure this is Mark's place?
I don't know. Call it a hunch. Do you know where Sonic is?
Nope, haven't seen him.
Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! Michael!
Don't touch it!
You're going down, Mark!
So then they have a really quick fight.
always overdo it with the sports tape.
I don't remember asking you a goddamn thing.
Dancing with sugar plums. You know, when I say it out loud, I kind of regret having said it out loud.
Who are you talking to?
This guy right here.
Finally, I can turn off this dreck. Nothing. Got a cup of vine sauce and a brand new chair just waiting to be made unreturnable.
Breakfast. We worked all morning on this.
Cupcakes! Cupcakes! Isn't that nice?
All right. Whoa!
Hey guys, long time no see.
How many times do we have to tell you not to dig tunnels everywhere?
Looking for the Master Emerald pieces was tougher than I thought it would be.
Silly ball. Here's another thing. The book can also be a hat.
Can the young woman break the glass male and prove once and for all that a female can break the ceiling?
What? Just because I'm a meme doesn't mean I'm not Eminem.
Look at these.
Nice shoes.
Oh, great. Now he's affecting canon. He is...
What are you all doing here?
Oh, oops, sorry. Hey, wait a minute!
Let me tell you my story. Gather around the campfire.
Get out there and fight!
I was trained for 22 years to fight with my feet, but it takes a real man to console with his feet.
Wait, you're vegan?
I'm vegan now.
A miracle came from above.
And now you know my cool backstory.
I'm Zeet. I'm gonna go catch some bees. No, because of the ginormous shack that's about to hit.
But I'd be happy to whip up some plant.
Truth, where are the planets?
What's this, a pajama party? Scooch over!
Well, well, well.
Me?
I'm more of a royal blue.
Hulk strides towards Annie, but is distracted by a shiny object.
I got something shiny for ya.
That character wasn't like me at all. He wasn't nearly as awesome as I am. You like this?
He's so relatable.
Come on, Ames, you're gonna love it.
Unless it's a clean hourglass, I'm not interested.
Who wants to go to Amy's house to ride out the storm?
Nah.
Well, we're out of parts and instructions. I think we're done.
Great idea, Sonic.
That's why I'm the leader.
Alas, poor Cubot. I knew him well.
I knew TV was just a big conspiracy to control everyone's minds. I'm not talking to you. You keep watching.
Well, these claws ain't for just attracting mates. Bring it on, old man! Bring it on!